Advertising is an essential component of marketing strategies, and AI has transformed the way advertisements are created, targeted, and delivered to audiences. AI-powered advertising systems leverage advanced algorithms to optimize campaign performance, enhance targeting capabilities, and improve the overall effectiveness of advertising efforts. One significant application of AI in advertising is audience segmentation and targeting. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, including demographic information, browsing behavior, and purchasing patterns, to create detailed audience profiles. These profiles enable advertisers to deliver personalized and relevant advertisements to specific target segments, increasing the chances of engagement and conversion. AI also plays a vital role in programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising platforms automate the process of buying and selling at inventory, utilizing AI algorithms to optimize bidding strategies and maximize return on investment. These platforms analyze real-time data and make instant decisions on ad placements, targeting, and pricing, ensuring advertisers reach their desired audiences efficiently and effectively. Creative optimization is another area where AI has made a significant impact in advertising. AI algorithms can analyze the performance of different ad creatives, such as images, headlines, and call-to-action buttons, and optimize them for better engagement and conversion rates. This enables advertisers to deliver high-quality and compelling ads that resonate with their target audiences. AI-powered predictive analytics also enhance advertising campaign performance. By analyzing historical data and patterns, AI algorithms can predict future trends, customer behaviors, and market dynamics. This allows advertisers to make data-driven decisions, allocate their advertising budgets effectively, and optimize their strategies for maximum impact. Furthermore, AI in advertising extends to voice-activated advertising and chatbot interactions. Voice assistants, powered by AI, provide new opportunities for advertisers to engage with audiences through voice-activated advertisements. Chatbots, utilizing natural language processing and machine learning, enable interactive conversations and personalized recommendations, enhancing customer experiences and driving conversions. Ethical considerations are essential in AI-powered advertising. Advertisers must ensure transparency, data privacy, and comply with regulations to build trust with their audiences. Striking a balance between personalization and privacy is crucial to maintain a positive user experience and protect user data. In our upcoming videos, we will explore in-depth topics related to AI in advertising, including dynamic ad targeting, ad fraud detection, and the future of personalized advertising. Stay tuned for valuable insights and practical tips on leveraging AI to optimize advertising campaigns. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.